Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. In today's video I'll be showing you guys my natural hair routine. I lie. This is not my natural hair. Well, some of it is, but the rest of it is a wig. It is a V-part wig from UNice, and I can't wait to show you guys how simple it is to put this V-part wig on. And then I'm also going to show you guys another hairstyle that you can do with this V-part wig. Yeah, look how natural it looks. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. So here you can see it comes with 3 combs, and then it also has 4 clips, and this is what the curl pattern looks like. So you can see the wig is really full. This is how I usually wear my hair under my wig, so I'm just about to take this braid down. I figured to take some of my hair out as a leave out because my natural hair is curly. It's only straight right now because I had my hair pulled back. Just twisting the hair here so it won't be in the way of me actually putting the wig on. Even it being a V-part wig, you can still wear a wig cap. I just like wearing it like this and then just basically pulling the wig cap back a little bit. And I love how well the V-part blended in. So the only thing I had to do was clip the 4 clips down to secure the wig, and that's all you have to do. You can get to styling your hair once you have all those 4 clips secured. Just wet my hair here to get the hair to be curly again. And also, if you don't have curly hair, you can also use a really small curling wand. I will also do that just to get the curls to blend in really well. Also, if you don't want to leave any hair out, you can do that as well. The only thing that you would basically have to do is tease the hair where your middle part is, or wherever you would like to have your part. I just decided to take some hair out because my hair is curly. If you also decide to pull some of your hair out to really get the wig to blend in with your hair, just use a really small curling wand like the one that I'm using. As you can see, I'm only using the beginning of the curling wand because that's where it is really small, and as you can see, it blends in really well. This is my first V-part wig, and I can't lie, I was actually really surprised on how my hair ended up turning out. Also with me curling the hair because it looked so natural, and I also got a lot of compliments on it. Here I'm just adding some shine to the hair, and let me tell y'all, this is all I had to do. It literally only took me like 5 minutes to do that, and this is how it turned out. I really love this hair. Since I did a middle part so fast, I wanted to see how a side part would look with this V-part wig. As you can see, the wig cap is still there, and now I'm just pulling out a little more hair for my side part. You can move the part wherever you like, and once again, all you have to do is put the 4 clips down. Really easy and simple, and then you can do whatever you like with your leave out. It's so many cute different hairstyles that you can do with this V-part wig. You can also pull some of your baby hair out. Here, just like pulled some of the hair from the wig forward to like blend in with my hair a little more. Also, my hair wouldn't be this straight if I didn't have it pulled back. And then I'm just going to curl it a little more with the curling wand. You can also put heat on this hair, so while I'm styling my hair, you will also see that I'm grabbing strands of the actual wig to like curl it to like blend in with my hair. I decided to tease my hair a little bit just so it won't be so flat at the top. Mind you guys, I did put some water on my hair, but this is what it actually looks like. So you can see you are not able to even tell that you're wearing a wig, or you can't even see the V part. So this is how the side part looks. I really love this look as well. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys actually thought of the middle part and the side part. As far as the hair is really soft. The length that I chose is 24 inches and the hair also barely shed. So here are a few styles that you can do with this wig. I can't lie, I was a little skeptical doing a V-part wig just because I didn't think it was gonna look that natural, and if anything, I feel like it looks more natural than any of the lace fronts just because you can pull out your own hair and you can do your baby hair. But I'll make sure to put all of the links in the description box down below for you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys would like to see next. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is @Tiffanieray. As always, very squad. I really appreciate y'all support. Until the next time, love you guys. Bye.